In this video, we are going to look at one of the useful reports for cyber security, which is basically unsuccessful logons. So in this report, we are going to look at all the users, what is their, what kind of logon activity they have performed. Okay. So here is a report. So one of the key things is if you can sort by the incorrect logons, so you can see that this user is being incorrectly logged on for 10 times. Okay, this is 6 times. So you want to check why this kind of incorrect logon is happening. Okay, and one more thing you want to make sure you is, for example, if you sort by logon, okay, say logon, you see that this not in use, right? You want to make sure you identify users who are not in use and just make sure are they really needed. Okay, are they really needed? So you want to make sure you just identify those kind of users and then delete them or disable them. Okay, because this could be a security threat also. One more thing is click on. So whether the password has been even at least changed, right? That means this IDs have not been even used. Okay? So this has to be removed. You can also see the security policy here on the right hand side, which basically defines exceptions for the user IDs. Thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download free cyber security tool, which will identify all the default passwords in your child systems. Thank you.